Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 keeps freezing or randomly problems. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is chkdsk space c column space /f space /x space /r and press enter. Type y and press enter. After that, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after doing this that restart your computer. When you restart your computer, the process will be take a few minutes to complete the process. When you restart your computer, and do not skip any process. So after doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, type a command is sfc space /scan now. After completing that, type a command is dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows, click on display and reduce your display setting. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a memory diagnosis. Open it and click on restart now and check the problems. When you click on, then your computer automatically restart and check the problems and resolve your issues. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fifth method. The fifth method is that go to your settings of your Windows, click on recovery. After doing this step, click on reset PC, click on keep my files, click on cloud download, click on next to continue. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. When you complete this process, then restart your computer, and after that I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.